Have you ever wondered what would happen if you could go back in time and change the course of history? Welcome to the mind-bending world of the causality paradox, also known as the time paradox. This theoretical conundrum is a result of the hypothetical possibility of time travel. It proposes a scenario where cause and effect become entangled in a strange and paradoxical loop. To break it down, let's take a quick detour into the realm of science fiction, where these paradoxes are often explored. Consider the grandfather paradox, a classic example. Imagine you were to travel back in time and somehow prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. This would mean you could never have been born, but then, who traveled back in time? This is the causality paradox. It presents an impossible situation where the cause and its effect can't logically coexist. It's like trying to untie a knot that only tightens as you pull. Now that we know what a causality paradox is, how can we make sense of it? Well, let's delve deeper into this mind-bending concept. Two major theories attempt to unravel the causality paradox: the Novikov self-consistency principle and the multiple universes interpretation. Firstly, let's explore the Novikov self-consistency principle. Named after physicist Igor Novikov, this principle suggests that if time travel were possible, it would be consistent with the laws of physics for events to occur that would create a paradox. However, it posits that any action taken to change the past would, in fact, have been part of the past all along. Imagine you're a time traveler who goes back in time to stop a major event from happening. According to the Novikov self-consistency principle, your efforts would be futile. Why? Because your attempt to change the past was always part of the historical timeline. You were always meant to travel back and make that attempt, and the event you tried to prevent still happens, maintaining the consistency of the timeline. Now let's move on to the second theory, the multiple universes interpretation. This theory proposes that any change to the past would not affect our current timeline. Instead, it would create an entirely new timeline or universe. Consider this. You're again a time traveler, and you managed to change a significant event in the past. The multiple universes interpretation suggests that this change doesn't rewrite history in your original universe. Instead, you've branched off into a new universe where the event you changed has a different outcome. So, in essence, every time we change something in the past, we're creating a new, parallel universe where a different version of history plays out. Whether you subscribe to the Novikov self-consistency principle or the multiple universes interpretation, the causality paradox remains a fascinating concept that challenges our understanding of time and reality. So, what does the causality paradox tell us about our universe? Well, it's a fascinating conundrum that stretches our understanding of the universe to its limits. It's both a theoretical puzzle and a philosophical enigma. It forces us to question the very nature of time, cause and effect, free will, and fate. Are we truly masters of our destiny? Or are we simply playing out a script written in the cosmic code? Are our actions truly ours or merely echoes of future events? The causality paradox leaves us grappling with these profound questions. Yet, there's no consensus among scientists about how to resolve these paradoxes. Some believe in the existence of multiple timelines, others in the self-consistency of time. Regardless of the approach, it's clear that we're far from comprehending the full implications of these paradoxes. While we may not have clear answers, the causality paradox continues to captivate scientists and laymen alike, reminding us of the mysteries that still lie at the heart of our understanding of the universe.